Have you ever wondered how food safety and business quality connect? Imagine a world where restaurants serve unsafe meals or manufacturers deliver poor quality products. That's where international standards like ISO 22000 to 2008 and ISO 9001 to 2015 step in. But what's the difference? If you're in food production, should you choose ISO 22000 to 2018, ISO 9001 to 2015, or both? Let's break it down in this video. Comparing ISO 22000 to 2018 and ISO 9001 to 2015. Let's start with the basics. ISO 9001 to 2015 is a quality management system that ensures products or services meet customer expectations and regulatory requirements. It's used in all industries from IT to healthcare, but what if food safety is your main concern? That's where ISO 22000 to 2018 comes in. It's designed specifically for the food industry and ensures that food remains safe from farm to fork. Now, let's take a side-by-side look at ISO 22000 and ISO 9001. While both are management system standards, they serve different purposes. Let's break it down row by row. In this comparison, we will compare for 9 points. 1. Purpose. ISO 22000 to 2018 is all about food safety management, preventing contamination, reducing hazards, and ensuring safe food reaches consumers. On the other hand, ISO 9001 to 2015 is broader, focusing on quality management across any industry, from manufacturing to services. 2. Scope. ISO 22000 to 2018 is designed specifically for the food industry, covering farms, processors, manufacturers, and even restaurants. But ISO 9001 to 2015? It's a universal quality system used by companies in all sectors: automotive, healthcare, construction, and more. 3. Risk management. Both standards use risk-based thinking, but in different ways. ISO 22000 to 2018 focuses on food safety risks like biological, chemical, and physical hazards. ISO 9001 to 2015, however, looks at overall business risks such as production errors, supplier quality, and customer satisfaction. 4. Legal compliance. Regarding regulations, ISO 22000 to 2018 ensures compliance with food safety laws like the FDA, Codex Alimentarius, and EU regulations. ISO 9001 to 2015, on the other hand, ensures compliance with customer and industry-specific requirements but doesn't focus on food safety laws. 5. Key principles. ISO 22000 to 2018 is based on HACCP, hazard analysis and critical control points, and Prerequisite Programs, PRPs, to prevent food contamination. In contrast, ISO 9001 to 2015 follows a process-based approach, prioritizing customer focus, leadership, and continuous improvement. 6. PDCA Approach. Here's an interesting difference. ISO 22000 to 2008 uses 2 PDCA cycles, one for the overall management system and another for HACCP risk control. But ISO 9001 to 2015 uses just one PDCA cycle for improving processes and quality. 7. Integration with other standards. Both standards integrate well with others like ISO 14001, Environmental Management, and ISO 45001, Occupational Health and Safety. But ISO 22000 to 2018 is more specialized, making it easier to integrate with food safety programs like GFSI, FSSC 22000, and BRCGS. 8. Documentation and records. ISO 22000 to 2018 requires detailed documentation of food safety hazards, monitoring, and control measures to ensure traceability. ISO 9001 to 2015 also requires documentation, but it focuses more on process quality, corrective actions, and performance tracking. 9. Focus areas. Finally, the main focus, ISO 22000 to 2018, is dedicated to food safety, eliminating risks that could harm consumers. ISO 9001 to 2015 ensures product and service quality, aiming for customer satisfaction, efficiency, and business success. Key differences. The biggest difference between these two standards is food safety risk management. While ISO 9001 to 2015 focuses on customer satisfaction and process improvement, ISO 22000 to 2018 goes deeper into HACCP principles, hazard analysis, and contamination control. Another difference is the use of Prerequisite Programs, PRPs. In ISO 22000 to 2018, these ensure food is handled in a hygienic environment. In contrast, ISO 9001 to 2015 focuses more on overall efficiency and product consistency. Real-world application. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine a company that produces bottled juice. They need both ISO 22000 to 2018 to ensure no contamination and ISO 9001 to 2015 to ensure consistent quality and customer satisfaction. Both companies need to manage risks, but in different ways. The juice factory's priority is safe consumption, while the car manufacturer's priority is zero defects. Which one should you choose? So, which one is right for your business? If you work in food production, packaging, or catering, ISO 22000 to 2018 is essential for food safety compliance. But if your goal is overall product or service quality, ISO 9001 to 2015 is the way to go. Practice example. In these three types of business. 1. Restaurant chain expanding internationally. 2. Pharmaceutical company manufacturing medical equipment. 3. Dairy farm producing yogurt for global distribution. Which ISO standards should be applied? Drop your answers in the comments and let's discuss. To wrap up, both ISO 22000 to 2018 and ISO 9001 to 2015 are powerful tools for improving business performance. Whether you're in food safety or general quality management, applying these standards can set you apart. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your team.